Raise attendance at your event. You will now click on Raise attendance at your event. With the event responses objective, you'll be able to promote your Facebook event to increase your attendance. You can choose the Facebook event you want to promote by typing the name of the event or by entering its URL. But something important to consider is if your event occurs today or has already passed. If so, it can't be advertised. You need to have an event already created happening in a future day, starting tomorrow. Something else to consider is that the event has to be a public event in order to see it listed. That is something we covered already in video 7. You'll be able to name your campaign, then click on Continue. Well, I think the rest is self-explanatory. There are only 3 placement options available to promote your event. There you see the option for mobile devices. The budget and schedule section is the same as usual. On the advanced options for optimization for advert delivery, you can decide to deliver by event response, impressions, post engagement, or daily unique reach. For bid amount, you can choose between automatic or manual. If you choose automatic, you will let Facebook set the bid that helps you get the most event interest at the best price. If you click on manual, you will be able to enter a bid based on what 1,000 impressions are worth to you. For when you are charged, you'll be charged by impressions. For advert scheduling, you may find it disabled because you already set that up in the schedule step. On the delivery type, you can choose standard or accelerated, just as usual. Finally, you can give your advert set a name. You can use the default one or change it if you want. Then click on Continue. This advertising is simple. You'll be directed straight to the media section. I'll use free stock images again. You'll then be able to pick your Facebook page, add some text, use the URL parameters or pixel tracking. In the advert preview, you'll see exactly how your ad will look on the desktop feed, mobile news feed, and on the right column. Finally, you can review your order and click on Place Order.